Hello everyone, and a super duper big welcome to the Mighty Spriggles channel. I am so excited you are here with me today. Are you ready for an amazing adventure? I know I am. We are going to explore something that is all around us. It's something you might see every single day. Did you know that touching the soil with your hands or going barefoot in the garden is super special? It helps you feel connected to nature, and it's a fun way to explore the world around you. The earth feels cool and soft, and it can even make you feel happier and more relaxed. It's under our feet when we play in the park. It's in the pots where beautiful flowers grow, and it's even hiding under the green grass in our gardens. Can you guess what it is? It's something brown, a little bit squishy, and totally, completely, wonderfully awesome. That's right, we are going on an adventure all about soil, hooray! Now, you might be thinking, soil? That's just dirt, isn't it? Well, I am here to tell you a spectacular secret. Soil is so much more than just dirt. It's a magical, living world bustling with secrets and surprises. It's a super important home for tiny creatures. It's the special ingredient that helps our food grow tall and strong. On our Mighty Spriggles adventure today, we're going to become soil explorers, digging deep to uncover all of its incredible secrets together. Have you ever stopped to really look at the ground beneath you? It might just look like a patch of brown stuff, but it's actually a treasure chest of wonders. Soil is like a giant, busy city for tiny little bugs and wriggly worms. It's also like a pantry, filled with all the yummy food that plants need to grow big and healthy. Without amazing soil, we wouldn't have crunchy apples, sweet carrots, or even the tall trees that give us shade on a sunny day. So, get your explorer hats on and prepare to be amazed by the mighty world of soil. So, are you ready to get your hands a little bit dirty with me? I promise it will be so much fun. We're going to learn where soil comes from, who lives inside it, and why it is one of the most important things on our entire planet. It's a secret world that most people just walk right over without even noticing. But not us! No way! We are Mighty Spriggles, and we are about to begin our fantastic journey into the ground. Let's get ready to dig in and discover the wonders waiting for us right under our feet. It's going to be brilliant! Okay, explorers, let's talk about our mission for today. Our grand adventure is all about becoming soil superheroes. Our first task is to find out exactly what soil is made of. We will use our Super Spriggle senses to look the soil to discover its hidden ingredients. We will use our Super Spriggle senses to touch the soil to discover its hidden ingredients. We will use our Super Spriggle senses to smell the soil to discover its hidden ingredients. It's going to be like we're chefs, figuring out the recipe for the perfect soil. One main ingredient is tiny, tiny pieces of rock. Imagine big rocks on a mountain. Over many years, the wind and the rain break them down into smaller and smaller bits. Grains of sand or even finer, like dust. This part is called minerals. It gives soil structure and color. Next time you feel gritty bits, say, "Aha, I found the minerals." But that's not all. The next super important ingredient is called organic matter. That's a big, fancy word, isn't it? It just means bits of old plants and leaves that fall to the ground. Think about crunchy autumn leaves you love to jump in. Over time, they break down into tiny pieces and become part of the soil. This stuff is full of goodness that plants love to eat. We'll learn about humus, a superfood for plants. It's nature's way of recycling. And the last two secret ingredients are water and air. Soil isn't completely solid. It has tiny gaps and spaces between rock bits and organic matter. These spaces hold water for plants and air for soil creatures and roots. So, soil is a magical mixture of rock bits, old leaves, water, and air. It's a brilliant recipe by nature. the perfect starting point for almost all life on land. Now that we know what soil is made of, let's explore why it is so incredibly important for plants. Imagine you are a tiny little seed. You need a safe and cozy place to start growing, right? Well, soil is the perfect home. It acts like a big, soft blanket that holds the seed snugly. As the seed starts to sprout, it sends down little roots. The soil holds onto these roots tightly, like it's giving the plant a big hug so it doesn't fall over. Soil is the anchor that keeps plants, from the smallest flower to the tallest tree, standing up tall and proud. But soil is more than just a safe home. It's also a giant supermarket for plants. Remember that yummy organic matter? It's packed with nutrients. Nutrients are like vitamins for plants. They help plants grow strong leaves, colorful flowers, and delicious fruits and vegetables. When roots are in the soil, they suck up these nutrients along with water. Without nutrients, plants would be hungry and weak, and we wouldn't have crunchy carrots or sweet strawberries. The soil is their pantry, always stocked. Think of the soil as a plant's personal chef and delivery service. It stores rainwater and saves it for sunny, thirsty days. Roots drink up that water whenever needed. The soil holds special nutrient food and serves it to the roots. It makes sure every plant has the food and water for a happy, healthy life. How amazing is that? Without soil, plants would have nowhere to live and nothing to eat or drink. It is the foundation of all plant life. Every beautiful park we play in, every forest we explore, every garden that grows our food is only there because of the incredible soil underneath, which in turn give us oxygen to breathe, food to eat, and beautiful places to enjoy. Soil really is a plant's best friend forever. Hooray, Mighty Spriggles! You are now official soil experts. Now comes the most important part of our whole adventure. It's time to learn how we can become soil superheroes. Our mission, should we choose to accept it, is to protect our amazing soil and help keep it healthy for all the plants, animals, and people for years and years to come. The good news is that you don't need a cape or superpowers to be a hero for the soil. There are lots of simple, fun things we can all do every single day to help out. One of the best things we can do for soil is to feed it. A brilliant way to make this superfood for the soil is by making compost. A compost pile is like a giant recycling bin for nature. You can put in leftover fruit and vegetable scraps from your kitchen, like banana peels, apple cores, and carrot tops. You can also add old leaves and grass clippings from the garden. Over time, with a little help from the worms and microorganisms, all these things will break down and turn into dark, crumbly, nutrient-rich compost, which is the best treat you can give to your garden soil. Another way to be a soil superhero is to be gentle with the ground. Sticking to paths helps prevent the soil from getting squashed down and becoming hard and compacted. When soil is compacted, it's much harder for water and air to get in, and for plant roots to grow. You can also help by being a water-wise hero. When you help water the garden, try to do it gently. If you pour the water too fast, it can wash the top layer of precious soil away. This problem is called erosion. It just means the soil is being carried away from where it belongs. One of the best ways to fight erosion is by using the power of plants. Plant roots act like a giant net, holding all the soil particles together. So, if you see a patch of bare dirt, a super thing you can do is to help plant something there. Another clever trick to stop erosion is by using something called mulch. Mulch is like a cozy blanket for the soil. This blanket protects the soil from the impact of heavy raindrops and shields the soil from the wind so it can't get blown away. By keeping the soil covered, we are making sure our amazing, life-giving topsoil stays right where it is needed most. All right, Mighty Spriggles, I have one last very special mission for you. This is your chance to become a true soil scientist and gardener. With a grown-up, find a little patch of soil. Look at it closely. What color is it? Feel the soil. Is it crumbly and soft? Try the squeeze test. Based on your investigation, what can you do to help? If it looks pale and hard, you could ask a grown-up to help you mix in some compost. And for the grand finale, try planting something. Plant it carefully in the soil you have been helping. As you watch your little seeds sprout and grow, you will see the magic of soil in action. You'll be a true partner with it, helping to create new life. Wow, what an incredible adventure we have had today, Mighty Spriggles. We have dug deep into the amazing world right under our feet. We discovered that soil is a magical mix. We journeyed down through the layers. We learned that soil is a bustling city and does super important jobs for everyone. Most importantly, you have learned how to be a true soil superhero. You know how to feed the soil, protect it from erosion, and be gentle with the ground. So keep being curious, keep exploring, and never forget the wonderful living world that is right beneath your feet. Thank you so much for joining me on this dirty and delightful adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Mighty Spriggles channel for more amazing adventures. Until next time, stay mighty. Bye-bye, everyone!